So today we are going to learn about the discovery credential and quick discovery. Okay. So first of all, this is our Met server and it's already validated, right? So what we are going to do, we need to create one credential. Why we need the credential? Just because of, let's say you are going to a hotel, right? If you are showing your booking ID, then only they will accept your registration, right? The same way, you need to first create one credential through that this once the discovery is happening, it will go and it will tell to that what I can say to our server, okay, Windows server, that okay, I have this details, so can I access it? So for this thing, what we'll do, we'll search the credential under our Discord. You have the credential. We'll click on the new. So here for us, our EC2 instance is a Windows server. So I'm going to take as a Windows credential. Okay. I'm going to AWS Windows credentials that I am giving. Okay. All my server. Okay, no issue. Username. So I have my service user 2. Password, I know. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the test credential. What is this? So if I'm going to the history from my AWS Met server, I can get the IP address. So this is my IP address. Same only I have used. So now I click on OK. It needs to give to me. Okay. So now it's running the credential. So let's see how it is, what it is returning. Okay, why I use the service user? Just because of I already shown we have created, yes, the service user profile, right? And it is showing me that credential validated. The service user we have created just because of service user is a dummy admin who have all the access of that our EC2 instance, all the roles, right? Like in our ServiceNow instance also, how we are creating a user and assign the admin role. Just like the same, we have created this service user and assign the local admin role. We'll run the service as that admin role, right? In our previous video, we already have shown. Clicked on OK, and I click on submit. So now I told here, okay, in our discovery credential, okay, you guys can see we have this many credential, right? So now there is one terminology we should know. It is called discovery IP affinity. Okay, let's say I have run my discovery and last time successfully this credential has been verified. Okay, for a single Met server. And for single Met server, there is, let's say, all of this credential is available. Okay. All of this credential has been available. And last time this was the successful credential. So this time also, if you run the discovery for the same Met server, it will start the discovery from this order. Even though there is previous two, it will not take this one, this two, it will directly start from here. It will keep in mind, okay, last time this was the successful credential I have took, that's why it will start from here. This is known as IP affinity. Okay. And last I told for that thing. That is called our what? Our nmap or credential-less discovery. So if I'm just here, we have enable credential-less discovery. If you click on it, okay, on this nmap, it will go and it will fetch few of the details, not all the details. Okay, so let me directly clear this thing. Okay, now once our discovery credential has been set, now we'll be searching for the discovery schedules. Okay, discovery schedules. So when I clicked on it, we have option for a quick discovery, for a cloud discovery, or new. Okay, so first of all, we can do a quick discovery. So I click on it. My target IP is what? My target IP is this. And I already have set up my mid server, right? So I'm giving over here. Click on OK. See, so every time your discovery will run, the details will come into discovery status table, discovery underscore status. Okay. So how it is going? First time discovery, it will take some time. I already told previously there are different phases. Scanning, identification, right? Scanning, then your classification, then your identification, then your exploration, right? So you guys can see if I'm going to the ECC queue, okay? So first phase, scanning, I told it is starting with the SESM, right? So it is second phase is your classification. It is going on. So let's wait for some time so you guys can see how many steps has been there. Okay. So you guys can see it has been started classifying. Then your horizontal discovery has been started. We are going with all of these things in deep. Okay. Don't worry with that thing. Let it be complete first. For the first time discovery, it will take some time. Okay. So in the meantime, I want to tell to you guys, let's say as of now, in my system, I have installed this single mid server for my data center, AWS data center. So what is the actual number which we can use for installing our mid server? So ideally, I can say for a single data center, if there for every 10K CI, you should install one mid server for running the smooth discovery. Okay. Keep this thing in your mind. For every 10K CI, which will be associated with same data center or IP range. So in that case, you can install one mid server for running the smooth discovery. Okay. Let me refresh it. And what I told, the IP affinity and nmap. Keep these things also in your mind. Okay. First time your discovery is running. That's why it's taking the time. So in the next video, I'm keeping it. Okay, in the next video, we are going to learn about this discovery phases. Okay.